Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to stream on TikTok using OBS and your stream key step by step. So this particular method gives you full control over overlays, quality and professional live setup all for free. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application on your phone. There you will see the option of your profile. So you need to go to your profile first. After that, go to the settings, then go to the creator tools and the live center option. If you see a stream key option there, you just have to tap on it. This means that your account is eligible for PC streaming. If it is not visible, you will need to meet the TikTok's requirements like minimum followers or live access. So once you are inside the live center, you just have to copy both the RTMP URL and your stream key. So these connects your OBS to the TikTok's live servers. After that, you need to open OBS on your PC. Over here, simply go to the settings. In your settings, you are going to see the option of stream. So click on the option of stream. Over here, you just have to select the option of custom, and here you will have to provide that stream key and your server. So the URL and the stream key that you have copied from TikTok, you need to provide those here. After that, click on the option of apply in order to save these changes. Then you need to add your camera, then your game capture and overlay using the sources. So here in the sources, you are going to see the option of plus. So click on the option of plus icon, then select the display capture. After that, select the game capture and your camera. Make sure that your canvas is set to 1080p, which will be the vertical format, and that's the TikTok's preferred format. You can also just check it on the TikTok application. After that, once you have done that, simply click on the option of start streaming in your OBS and then switch back to TikTok Live Center, and you will be able to see the preview which will be appear here. Then you can add the titles, description and go live to start your stream. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.